much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we're opening Coffee Beanery, a coffee subscription box. This is the second time I've received this box, and let me tell you, I finished all the coffee I received last time and it was amazing. So I'm super excited to see what we have, and they sent it in the cutest bag ever, elephants. I love elephants, if you didn't know. They're my favorite animal, I mean, and cats and stuff too. But anyway, so today I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we're going to do an unboxing. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get back to this cute subscription. So Coffee Beanery costs $20 a month, and there's free shipping, and every month you get 4 different coffees. So they say you get a delightful sampling of 4 pre-ground 2.5 ounce flavored coffees for you to enjoy, and also you get a postcard with information on each flavor and a fun monthly activity. So if you guys missed the last time I opened this, I actually did it in combination with some other boxes. It was like called Battle of the Caffeinated Boxes, and I think this was the only coffee box in there. The other ones were tea boxes, and I love my tea subscriptions, but Coffee Beanery totally won because, you know, coffee is my true love. I can't start my day without it. Not gonna lie, I've had 4 cups of coffee today, and it's gonna be really hard not to enjoy a cup after opening this, but it is the evening. It's now officially wine time, I would say, but anyways, let's get unboxing. I'm rambling. All right, so first let's start off with the paper, but let me show you just a sneak peek. Coffee. I love the smell of coffee. But anyways, so Coffee Beanery Flavor of the Month Coffee Club, and it looks like the theme this month is Under the Big Top Circus. So there's a circus theme. And then it talks about the 4 different kinds we get. Again, they're all 2.5 ounces. How cute. And then the activity is, what is your spirit animal? Oh my god, this is one of those things you can like fold up. Please hold. Oh my god, you guys, the little girl in me just is so excited. So we're just gonna do this by myself, I guess. I wish I could do it for you guys. So I think the first thing I would ask since would be like, what number? Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the inside, you could choose blue, green, red, or yellow, and I'm gonna go with blue. My spirit animal is a tiger. Oh my god, this is so fun. I have not even thought about these in so long. This is so fun. So how about we do it again? Let's go with yellow. That's yours. This is gonna be your spirit animal. An elephant! Oh, I love you. Let's get back to the coffee ride. Oh my god, that just lifted my spirits. Not like I was even in a bad mood, but let's get to the coffee. So the circus theme, or Under the Big Top. The first one is churro flavored. Oh my gosh, I've been eating healthy, and a churro just sounds really good. And I'm assuming it's not like the best for a diet with a little sugar and carbs, but it's okay. And this is just coffee, so there's no calories. So churro, freshly fried pastry dough, dredged in butter and coated in cinnamon sugar. Sounds so good. Oh, this one's interesting. Cherry snow cone. It says, tart yet sweet, juicy Bing cherries. I don't think I've ever had like a cherry or like really fruity flavored coffee. Well, that's why I've like read the description or like the notes of certain coffees I've had, and they do sometimes feature like notes of like citrus and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know about cherry, so I can't wait to try it. Cotton candy. A sweet spun magical sugary confection. And then last but not least, we have caramel apple. Ooh, this might be the one I open first and have in the morning. Crisp Granny Smith apple with a sweet caramely finish. Oh, I love this. I love how they have a theme each month, that they have an activity like that even adults, yeah, I'm an adult, can enjoy. That was so fun. I love this subscription. This is so fun for me to film. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in subscribing, I will leave a link down below. I absolutely cannot wait to try these coffees. Clearly I don't need any coffee right now, but in the morning I will definitely enjoy some. And yeah, I'll have to let you know next month. If they keep sending this to me, I will let you know how it is. And thank you, Coffee Beanery, for brightening my day and sending me this coffee. I love it. Can't wait to see the theme next month. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, everyone. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.